Hi, BroLearners. How are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. In this video, we are going to discuss a CSS property called float, and we see how we can use float in our web page. We have float left, float right, and float none. Okay, let's see how we can apply. First of all, I have this type of structure. You can do the same or you can just use your own. Okay, I have h2 tag, then I have a paragraph tag. In another paragraph tag I have image, and then I have a dummy text. Okay, dummy text, and after that I have style tag where we style our HTML. First, see how it look like. It takes some time, just wait. Okay, here we go. This is our structure of the web page. This is by default aligned. It is not left, it is not right, it is just defaultly aligned. Okay, but it is in left side, but it is not wrapping this text because there is a lot of space. Let's fix this. We can fix with the help of, let's do that with the help of image tag name itself, and after that use float colon left and just save it. Okay, you can see now this is perfectly aligned in left side, images in left side. And after that, let's do with the right and see the change. Right, just hit enter and see. If you provide none, by default it is none. Okay, you can see. Okay, and after that let's see what if we can do with the help of uh, we we do in div tag also. Let's do in div tag. Just remove this all. I am going to remove this and remove this also. Okay, now I use div with class name my div, and in this div I have an image, and after that I have p tag, and p tag I have lorem and means dummy text. Okay, let's format this document, and after that we use dot my div and border, provide the border for Sida to p pixel solid green, not gray, green. Okay, let's see how it look like. Okay, this is good, but if we provide dot div and im, sorry, img, and provide float left. Okay, let's see the change. You can see this image is out of the div. We can fix with the help of two things. First is providing here overflow, which I already told you in my last video. You can check in I button. Okay, overflow auto. Okay, it's fixed now. But if you want to use another property, you can do after. Okay, and then float we can use with clear property both, and then before this we use content. Okay, and let's save this and see the change. Let's remove this also. You can see there is nothing change because we provide with the help of content or clear. We can structure clear. There's a little difference between overflow auto and clear. Now let's see. what is the difference between overflow and clear. Okay, first here I provide p tag as a margin, padding and margin, and in image tag I didn't provide. And let's see with overflow how it look like. I just see, you can clearly see this image not having any margin and padding with the text because we use overflow. But if we provide overflow comment and uncomment this, uncomment then, and remember, if you are using clear, you have to provide double colon and after. Okay, and now see the change. You can see it maintain the padding and margin. Okay, you can see if I increase it, reset according to the margin and padding. This is the main difference between clear and overflow in a web page. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it with your friend, and bye bye.